The instructor touch panel, located on the instructor podium, is a 7-inch display with an advanced touch-sensitive screen surface. Use your finger to initiate actions on the screen. The instructor touch panel is programmed to control several classroom functions, including audio, classroom displays, and audio-visual equipment. The configuration of the instructor touch panel is customized and will vary as not all classrooms are the same. However, operation of the control panel is the same for all locations. If the touch panel has nothing on the display, simply touch anywhere to wake it up. The initial presentation on the touch panel, referred to as the startup page, provides access to the group of preset display selections. Each button is pre-programmed to select a presentation configuration that sends a source to pre-selected displays available in the room. These icons represent all the display sources in the classroom. Use a finger to select a display source icon. The selected icon turns blue and the room displays are powered up. The selected source image will appear to the class on the room displays, and the available audio source will play in the room. Two primary functions on the right side of the touch panel frame are illuminated when the system is powered on: the power button and the audio volume control. Use the advanced routing options to customize which room displays show a selected source. You may send a display source to more than one room display. Select a source and then select a display to show the source. Note the source status indicator at the top right of each source button. A green bubble indicates that the system is receiving a video signal from that source. A red bubble indicates that the system is not receiving video from the source. This is helpful for troubleshooting connected input devices. Red may indicate that a source is unplugged, asleep, or not powered on. You can listen to a single audio source in the room or any block of rooms that have been combined. The audio buttons above each source will act as a visual indicator as to which source the user is hearing. The last source routed to a destination automatically becomes the audio playing in the room. The advanced routing options also allow you to assign audio independent of the video. Select the audio button above each source to override the automatically routed audio. For example, you can display the instructor PC and send the Blu-ray audio source to the speakers. Like the visual source, the audio source button will turn blue when selected. Select the Advanced Routing button to exit the advanced features. At any time, you may select the Display Blanked button to hide the sources on all room displays. Selecting the button toggles the room displays on and off. A status indicator is presented to show the warm-up period for the displays. The Display Controls button will toggle the control options for the individual room displays. Use these features to blank individual displays or control motorized projection screens. Select the X or the Display Controls button to exit the display control functions. The source audio volume is controlled using the backlit display arrows on the right side of the panel. Use the up and the down arrows to adjust the audio. The level is indicated on the display. Select the mute button to toggle the audio on or off at any time. A controls button will appear with any source that has related control functions. For example, the Blu-ray source controls provide access to the playback functions for the Blu-ray player. Select the X to exit the source controls page. If there is no interaction with the touch panel for some time, the system will go into standby. Simply touch the screen to wake the display. To exit the system, select the backlit power button. This will power down the system and all room sources and displays. A shutdown confirmation appears. Select Yes, Shutdown to complete the shutdown or select Cancel. View the training modules for specific AV sources to learn how to use the control panel functions for each device.